So in this hub, our vision is to support the sustainable expansion of the poultry industry so that people can be fed high quality protein, but to provide evidence for how this can happen in a manner that doesn't increase risk to public health or to animal health. We also have the vision that through the sorts of capabilities that we're developing in the countries where we're working with our partners, we will end up with cohorts of researchers and stakeholders who understand how to work together despite coming from different backgrounds and disciplines, and to work in this cross-discipline, interdisciplinary manner within what we call a One Health environment. So the main questions that we're really going to try and investigate and get answers to relate to the interaction between the diseases that we see and the pathogens that cause them, and the people who are working and interacting with the poultry throughout the production and distribution network. So the major questions are, is it intensification of the poultry production itself that is causing increases in things like transmission of antimicrobial resistance? Is it increasing risk of avian influenza? Is it increasing the risk of people getting food poisoning? So it's really, is it the intensification process itself that is causing that? The second thing that we really want to try and answer is, what are the behaviours of people that are the most risky when it comes to epidemiology or the spread of disease? Is it to do with the way that the chickens themselves are being looked after, or is it to do with the way that they're transported, or is it a combination of very different things? And what is driving the behaviours of people who are working at different parts of that process? And finally, we really want to try and understand what are the best ways that we could intervene to try and improve disease control within the whole production network. There's a lot of technological tools out there, and there's also ways that you can incentivize people to behave differently, but we don't really understand yet where is the best way and at what levels we need to intervene in order to get longer term solutions to the problem.